severe impacts this morning. I zoomed in right over Turks and Caicos where that active hurricane warning is. So this is a major hurricane. Anytime you hear that, that's a Category 3 or higher. Right now it's a Cat 4. Briefly this past weekend, Aaron did go Cat 5. Did you see that? So briefly it went Cat 5. It is now down to a Cat 4, even though it's not expected to make direct landfall with any of the islands, even right through the Bahamas. It is bringing some really strong winds, really heavy downpours, and those are the outermost rain bands that are moving across the area. Now, I also zoomed out. I wanted to show you how close Aaron is going to get to the East Coast, but again, no direct impacts. This will be the outermost bands kicking up elevated surf and tides. Here's North Carolina into South Carolina, and that's probably where we'll see the most impacts, maybe even along the coast of Virginia as well. No direct impacts to Bermuda, but the same idea, because it's going to split the difference between the East Coast and Bermuda. It's just going to bring up really elevated surf, but no direct impacts. Now, broad view, as far as the Atlantic Basin, the tropics are really heating up. So you have Hurricane Aaron, Cat 4, and now you have this wave just off the coast of Africa. It has a 50% chance of development. This looks like it could hold together. It looks fairly promising and potentially come for Nan. That would be the next name on the list. Here locally, this Ozone Action Day, air quality alert for Harris, Brazoria, and Galveston County. This peaks between 4 p.m. to 7 o'clock this evening. Now, if you have asthma, if you have emphysema, or if you're a teacher right now, keep in mind the kiddos may be complaining just a little bit that it's harder to get that clean breath of air. You know, with those higher ozone levels, it's the normal pollution that we put out. It's just the winds are really stagnant. What could help mix it up a little bit this afternoon, maybe some of these downpours. I don't think they're going to be area wide and not until this afternoon, but maybe that'll help just a little bit. So 11 a.m. this morning, we're still dry. You're dry for the first portion of the day. I pause our future track at 2:30 this afternoon. Today, you have a 40% chance of some of these downpours. That takes you right through 5, 6 o'clock this evening. So a 40% chance. Not everyone will see rain this afternoon, but I would have that umbrella on standby. It's going to be another week of kind of tricky weather out there that you may get a few developing thunderstorms. Now, tomorrow morning, we will see if future track holds together. It looks like we could see a line of showers, maybe even a few thunderstorms early, come 5, 6 a.m., but then it's out of here for the first portion of the day with maybe only a brief shower for the afternoon. But Tuesday afternoon actually looks to be drier. We will see. Wednesday afternoon, we repeat the process of some of these popcorn showers, or with the daytime heating, you pick up some of these showers and thunderstorms. For your Monday, I hope you have a great day. Back to school, all right? It is the 18th. Temperatures are, for this time of the year, are acting like it. 99 this afternoon. There's that 40% chance for an isolated downpour. Yesterday, we hit a high of 101. If you were out and you thought it was a really hot Sunday, you were right, a high of 101. So we put another tally in our triple digit box. 97 for tomorrow, 98 Wednesday. I think some of those afternoon downpours may help. Potentially maybe more organized rain for the end of the week. This is what I'll be watching for, the potential of some heavier downpours. But otherwise, Jen, it's just another week of some instability where in the afternoon you have these diurnal thunderstorms. So peak daytime heating, bring on those storms. I'll send it over.
Hello.